my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, after many requests and after so long, I'm finally going to be reacting to Monsta X. Yes, and the song that I chose today was beautiful. Now this is a complete random selection, guys, because when I typed like in YouTube Monsta X, the first recommendation that YouTube gave me was beautiful. So I'm guessing this is a very highly searched song or a highly recommended song in YouTube. So I'm gonna go with YouTube. I'm gonna trust YouTube and I'm just gonna react to this song first. And yes, I don't know much about them. I only know that one member who's the ex-member now, Wono, because I have listened to his single Open Mind and have watched it also. So I know he was a member of Monsta X, and it was only recent that he got like separated from the band. Though I don't know what is the context or anything because I didn't read up about it or I didn't research it. So probably you guys can let me know. So yes, without dealing this any further, finally, yes, my first ever Monsta X reaction. Let's see what the hype is all about, huh? Okay, let's start. It took so long, oh god, so many. I mean, for so long I've seen in my comments, please react to Monsta X. I'm really sorry, but yes, here it goes, beautiful. And this does not have subtitles, which is fine. I'm anyways going to look into the lyric video later. Alright, let's start. Ooh, nice. Ooh, oh, beautiful visuals. So everybody is in one room. My first thought, the visuals where they're in their separate rooms, that's just beautiful. I mean, the song is also called Beautiful. Okay? Oh, I don't need the subtitles. Too beautiful to let go. So I'll see what it means later. But oh my god. Firstly, this chorus part is okay. Oh my god, who's this guy? And the guy with the flower coat in the beginning when he started. This one. Where he's, oh my god, this entire part till the chorus is so beautiful. This guy, who's he? Ooh. Okay, this is a banger. I'm sorry, this chorus is just too good. Okay, yes, go Monsta X. Yeah, this guy and the center guy and the one with the buttons. They dance really well.
finger thumbs up 감탄사를 던져 맨정신을 벗겨 미쳐 돌아버릴 것 같아 네 향기 맡으며 퍼져 또 커져 중독돼버렸어 찔려버렸어
Yo, I don't need the lyrics. I'm fine.
하지마 난 몰래 눈짓하는 거 하지마 날 보면서
Oh my god, this guy.
머리 말해 너무 가슴이 말해 oh yeah
guy. The beat is about to drop because that part I really liked the first time also. Can I just say the rap and the vocals, both. The way it started, the rap, the song started with that rap, that was awesome. Then the vocals and then the chorus. Again the rap, now the vocals, oh my god, the rap is amazing. Oh my god. I'm falling in love. I'm okay. Firstly, who is this guy? This guy and the other one. The three guys. I like Mono already. I'll tell you. And this guy. And this guy. Woo! And this guy. Woo! Oh no. I'm gone. I'm done for. I'm dead. Oh no, not again. This is like every K-pop group I listen to, I just keep falling in love. I don't know how many times I've fallen in love now. Huh? Oh my god. I want to listen to this chorus part again. Oof. I'm dying, guys. What is happening? Oh. Oh my god, vocals. This guy. And this guy. And who's this cutie? I really like Mono's vocal. I really like him. This guy. Oh, they're all in one room. Okay. Dude, who are you, man? Who are you? And who are you? Okay. Why do I torture myself like this? Why do I torture myself like this? I wonder. I think I don't need to explain how much I love this song because, oh my goodness, this is such a banger. This song is oh my goodness, what a song. How does a song like this not go viral? This came in 2017, right? Oh my goodness. Thank you, YouTube. For the first time, I'm thanking YouTube to, for recommending this song to me. Oh, freaking hell. Firstly, the vocals are just insane. The rap, goodness my gracious, the rap is just out of this world. Then they dance like this sexily and so beautiful. The choreography in that white and that stage kind of set. I loved everyone. Everybody's single rooms were so different and distinct. Of course, I would have understood the meaning of the lyrics, but I will see the lyric video. But you're too beautiful to let go, huh? 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 Oh my goodness. And those three dudes. Those three dudes are just... Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I love this song. I absolutely loved it. Everything about this song was absolutely freaking awesome. Just awesome. Oh, thank you so much. I'm really sorry. Whoever has been requesting Monster X reaction for so long, you had to wait so long. But I'm here now and I'm in love already. I am in love. Oh, freaking hell. Cannot wait to listen to another song of theirs. Recommend, guys, recommend me fast. Oh wow. Okay, so that was my reaction. First time reacting to Monster X. This was heavenly. This was a bliss. This was just, just a blessing to my eyes and ears. I swear, guys. So yeah, that was my reaction for today. I hope you enjoyed with me and vibed to the song. I thought I'm in heaven right now. I don't know how many times I'm going to just, listen to the song and watch this song. So yeah guys, that's it from me today and I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.